In the January 2015 issue of Gun Tests, contributing editor Ralph Winingham tested a 20-gauge Browning Citori Model 725. The Model 725 and 20-gauge hit the market in 2014. The main new features are a mechanical trigger system, backboard barrels with lengthened forcing cones, and the Invector DS choke tube system. The shotgun handled well on the case course, and it excelled in the patterning stage of the test. In our opinion, it is well worth $2,470.
You can learn more about this report and others, plus the latest issue of Gun Test magazine at guntest.com.